And now you can take fresh oil, triple action formula right into the top. That's how it's done, guys. How to change your motor oil on a 2008 Acura TL Type S. I feel like there could have been a faster way. Welcome back, guys. I think I exaggerated a little bit too much. 800 horsepower, probably a little too much, all right? To any other V8 platform, or 800 horsepower doesn't sound crazy, but getting 800 horsepower out of a J series is like not very heard of. Yes, it is possible. Ours is most likely not gonna make 800 horsepower, so I'm sorry. I don't wanna wait until the end of the series before you guys jump on my back. Said it was gonna make 800, it only made 600. If you guys missed the last video though, we do plan on rebuilding the entire manifold, bigger 3-inch, maybe 3.5 single exit exhaust, and we're gonna be going bigger turbo. So something that's capable of another 100 horsepower, bigger turbo that'll sit on the same mount as this guy right here. And you guys see we got the cams, we got the forged rods and internal pieces for being able to push bigger power. Now that we got that out of the way, guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a new video. Today we are gonna be tearing apart both motors. I think I'm gonna start with the J37 because I'm gonna try to tear this thing apart to the block. 600, 650, 700 is gonna be plenty for this car. Plenty for me, plenty for this car. It's gonna be another 150 more than we had before. I still don't even know how to drive. Now let's see what's in the junkyard motor. It's tight. Is there even any oil in here? Yep. Today we're gonna be taking them both apart. The J35 heads need to be shipped off to Taylor so that he can do the porting on it and get the new cams installed. This guy needs to get torn down to the block so that she can go off to a machine shop. That's gonna be what we're working on today's video, and we got a lot of work. Like always, guys, we're gonna hop right into the video. This transmission drain, countless pulls on the boosted setup. Tranny fluid's about ready to be swapped. If there's any shavings in here, we're gonna have to do some service on our transmission. So far, looks pretty good. There's spots where it's like, we had an additive in there and the car's been sitting for a while, so. Next, we need to separate the transmission from the motor. We got the transmission out, guys. Had to fight it a little bit. Little did I know, I thought I had every bolt out except for this small 10 mil that was still like, it was loose, but it was wedged in between here. I kind of want to just free up this motor stand for that motor. So for the rest of today, we're gonna be taking this guy apart. Try holding it. OG didn't make it. Time to bring in the big mama. 600 bucks on Amazon. Doesn't include the batteries. And this one also fully charged. Oh, what a mess. Yo, chat, here she is. Our J37 block is free of all accessory. Don't mind how I look right now. It's been a long one. I have no clue what I'm doing. We've made an organized mess over here, and we're now a day behind. The crank bolt is what delayed me nearly a day and a half. I made a TikTok video using this big boy to remove the crank, and it would not remove it. I was shocked. So main reason being all these reducers we had to put on here to get it down to a 1/2 inch. Even with the 19 mil weighted socket, we couldn't get it off with this big boy. So thankfully I had a buddy come down with his bigger Milwaukee. We didn't have to put any adapters on it, and he was able to break it off. But look, we abused this thing. Here's our organized mess, guys. It's actually not too bad, but I gotta start bagging things and labeling because I will misplace these. There's a good amount of sludge buildup and whatnot, but the motor doesn't seem to be in bad condition at all. So good news, you know. So far things are looking up with the junkyard pickup. It's getting late, but tomorrow we're gonna be pulling these heads off, getting them cleaned up and off to Taylor. And guys, we also ordered a bigger turbo. So maybe we'll hit that 800 horsepower. I don't know. For sure 700. We gotta hit 7, right? Doing all this when you just pull the motor. My goal was to have the heads pulled, shipped off, and everything cleaned up by the end of today's video. And I kind of got a little held up on the crank bolt. So we're gonna end it right here because tomorrow I gotta prep for going out of town this weekend. So thank you guys for watching. When I get back, we'll pick up right where we left off and keep you guys updated. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.